Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd share with you guys some of my past fall decorating videos so that you guys can get some inspiration to decorate your home for upcoming fall. Thanks for joining me today. And then when, we get into because it's so hot I can barely be out here today. But when we get into October, I'm going to do a whole hay bale thing right here. So right now I'm just going to put out some fall stuff to make this space look nice. And then I have this big beautiful cross that I want to hang up over there. So I'm going to get some of this done. I'm sorry if my hands are shaking. It's so hot. It's unbelievable.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, feel it coming in. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Mount Laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son.
I lie down beside you. I see why you can't understand me. But now I'm gone. My head's in a spin again, and my heart won't let me begin to see I've got nothing to win. In a spin again, and my heart won't let me begin to see I've got nothing to win. But now I'm gone. My head's in a spin again, and my heart won't let me begin to see I've got nothing to win. explain why it broke down. Yeah, explain why it broke down. What I did wrong. It took me by surprise. I did not see it coming. I couldn't see it in your eyes that you moved on without me. Bend the wheel of time and take away this moment. And I remain here until the air gets thicker. You take me to the outside. Oh, you walk with me 100 miles. You take me to the outside. Oh, you walk with me 100 miles. Explain why it broke down. Yeah, explain why it broke down. What I did wrong. I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in all conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
Okay, that's it for me, guys. I hope that you enjoyed my first little whatever to fall decorating. I know I said I wasn't going to use pumpkins, but like when I started putting this together, I was like, oh, we're just going to use the brand new pumpkins I just bought. So I'll have to add more stuff as the season progresses. But I think it turned out super cute. Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm super excited for fall. I can't wait to start decorating more in my house. I got to get to the storage shed to get the rest of my stuff, but this is a great start. I love the deep oranges and yellows and teals together and the browns. I just love it. I love those colors. So tell me what you think. And I think the pops of red with some apples is really going to bring it together. But anyways, I love you guys. Remember, God loves you so much more. Take care of you, and I'll be talking to you soon in the next video. Until then, bye guys.
'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. oh my sweet baby.